Hey peeps, good morning. Today is, what's today? Friday. Ooh, Friday, y'all. Fabulous Friday. Thank God it's Friday. I just got through editing my video. That's how long it is. So now I'm about to export it. Well, it's converting right now. And so, this one for Monday. And today is wash day, Friday. Get her done. Still, I got like 5 loads. I'm creating 5 loads basically. Normally I would just have maybe, well, I have 3. So the hubby just fed them. See the fish food floating. Anyways, that ain't what I pulled the camera out for. Oh, my hip hurt. Hey, wanna say good morning to the peeps? How you feel today? Your back. You want me to give you another massage?
Maybe later.
Want some oatmeal? But you need to eat some. You don't be eating nothing. I fix you some oatmeal.
I need some.
You gotta take your vitamins.
I'll get some one.
Yeah, but you need to take your vitamins. Oh, I don't know why my leg hurt. Probably getting up and down on that little red ladder. I mean, that little red step stool yesterday. Cause I don't normally have problems like that with this leg. Like, why you ain't acting right, leg? Oh, blood of Jesus. Ah, this is my right leg right there. Almost got my hip hard, y'all. No, me and my body. So I'm washing these today. Ooh, I hope, ooh, my wash machine can handle these rugs, cause when they get wet, I feel like I should take them to the laundromat. But I'm gonna try it. What's the worst thing could happen? Oh, he ain't take this off. Oh, I'm glad I caught that. My tabak. Ah, I just got shocked. Come on, I ain't got time for all this shenanigans today. So, my leg. Oh my gosh. But ain't one thing, it's another. Oh, my granddaddy said. For real. So the hubby put all the toes back up for me. You know, I put my porch and rocking chair pillows up in here. These are my extra. Well, I'm gonna have to end up redoing this one and getting a bigger toe because my art stuff is just, I got so much stuff in there, the top barely could go down. But that ain't finna happen right now. But what I'm finna do is get my stuff. These are my what's the my drying mats. All my drying mats, all on this side. Okay, these are all my tablecloths right here. But what I'm trying to get together is this, so pretty. Oh, this cute too. But I think I want to do this one for January. I'm gonna do that one. Oh, y'all. And let's find some pillow covers. These are all my pillow covers. I like these. I just had one of them up there. Maybe I should do this. I kind of blend. Okay. And, oh, that's cute. Oh, let's do that. Them 3. Ah, my leg. What did that say? Oh, that ain't the one I be using. Let's put you back. You're not the one. No, 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 no. Well, I should do these for February. I like that color. Here they go. Husband and wife. I do mate. Maybe I should use that for February. Huh? Well, it just stopped. I had heard it. Yeah. Ooh, there it is right there. Y'all saw that come together. What? This is supposed to. What? Come on. What? You all the way there? Oh, because I probably had just used one. Yeah, I be doing that. These are so pretty, y'all. Okay. We got our stuff. I gotta get a throw. I ain't finna do that yet. Because that's in one of them other totes. We'll put this right here. Yeah, we're gonna put that back right here. I'm coming. It's in this tote, y'all. What is heat? I feel that heat coming through that vent. This is my. Oh, these my kitchen rug mats. Oh snap! With it. This right there. He just okay. See, I ain't finna get that yet, but this for like the first. I'm gonna change it out. This going to the laundromat. So it's sat over here. I'm gonna hit the laundromat before it start doing all that heavy snowing. Yeah, we're gonna sit you right here. But reason why I still got them, I ain't have him stack them toast yet, because when I finish washing these curtains, they go in that blue bin for the to next summer or May. I think I put them out like in May, something like that. Hey, Lord, huh? All right, I'll see y'all when I see you. Peace. Man, this leg. I'm recording. So, who did it, babe? It spent it.
It's what?
It spinned the curtains.
Oh, it's good. Oh, so it's good. You got to take it to the laundromat.
Anyways, I'm finally through washing. Well, I got my last load and I washed my house shoes. I got my last load in the dryer, I mean the washer, and it's spinning. So these all the stuff I gotta put up. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yep. Got her done to the next 2.5 weeks. Yep. It's 1:17. So yeah. I got the towels down there in the hamper bag. Whenever you go back down there, you bring that up for me. For me and this leg right here, I don't know. Oh, by the time I get to that. Yeah, I made some more. I spray painted me some more snowflakes. Because I did the white, right? And but when I put the glitter on there, like I think, I don't know. They don't look white no more. So I want it white. And so this time I'm gonna just put some white glitter cause the silver glitter made it look silver. And I just did these four. And I want them to look white like that. I'm still using though. But these are the, wait a minute. Anyway, I don't remember. But, y'all, I started watching. It started like at 8:44. But they got my towels. I washed by themselves. And this almost done. And I don't know if I want to let them air dry or put them in a dryer. But these are my curtains that go on my porch. It's complete. So I'm done. Let's see. Oh my gown. Let's see. Ooh. These are long curtains. Well, anything is better because they haven't never been washed. But I'm like, maybe I should just, cause I don't want to mess up around them bumping in the dryer. It's a long curtain. Okay. Okay. And it was 3 in here. Damn. I don't know, y'all. I should have put them in the dryer so I could go and put them up for the summer or late spring. But they'll definitely be up before the summer. So, maybe I could just knock some. I'm gonna go and put them in the dryer. That's what I'm doing. Ooh, I hope it don't mess up around here. I don't want to mess my curtains up. Alright, peeps, I'm done. So, either they gonna go in, they fit go in the dryer, and this is my last load. The hubby gonna take these up because me and my leg, nah, nope. So, alright, y'all. Thanks for keeping me company on this fabulous Friday. And y'all already know. Y'all want to see me? I'll see you when I see you. Peace. Hey, peeps. Oh, I gotta do my calendar. I'll probably do that today. 11:17 in the a.m. Saturday. Simple Saturday. So I just got to put my stickers on the back of my snowflakes. And these the ones I had got off of Amazon. They're kind of big, but I just cut them in half so they won't take up too much. Yeah, then you just peel the back. They double-sided. So we're getting ready to do this. Got this drill. Say hey to the piece, sweetie. You look nice with your blue on. I like that.
I want a gray one.
Okay, babe. Lord have mercy. You know how to mess up a moment.
Yeah, that's a good moment.
No, I'm just giving you a compliment, sir.
Yeah, right.
That's whatever. Left, right, my foot. Okay, hey. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Hey, hey. Okay, we got stuff to do. It's cold. It's cold out there.
You be out there long enough, you feel.
Okay. So I brought my garden and stuff. It ain't much. I gotta cut that off first. And then my snowflakes. Alright, peeps, I'll show y'all how I look afterwards. Go out here and get her done. Y'all wanna see me? This is how I'm looking. A little thingy thing on my head. I like these little things, y'all. And so we finna get her done. Can I catch some light somewhere? Where? Where's the light? Where the light back? There go the light right there.
Oh, that's right. Kind of like what happened? Like,
Okay, peeps. Got my snowflakes on.
I got this up there.
You got it up there?
Yeah, but
Feel like the glitter came off. The white ones. It's fine. Look nice though. And I put them right there. And then I got my garland hanging over. Like, we been put these little hooks up there to hold the garlands up. So this side, some slight. I want to buy something to go up there.
okay, how that look?
I look nice. Oh, that's your foot. Sorry. I look nice.
I put the other one right here.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep. That look nice. I like it. I feel like I should have did all black
What?
snowflakes around
Inside of it?
around the front, cause I'm gonna stick some snowflakes like here. And so I feel like the black with a pop. I did some black. I might do some more. So yeah, I will straighten everything up when we finish. I got the silver.
Oh, that's right here?
Let's see. Now, let me see.
That's gonna be too low.
Right. Let's see.
So,
No. It have to be down. It could just come over a little bit. It's cool.
yeah.
Let me see, right. I mean, it's cool.
Because it's hard to get through here.
Through what? The wall?
Yeah, I go through the edge. This spool right here.
Yeah. That's cool. Let me run the house, y'all. It's cold. That's cool and it's cold. Ooh. Clean my board off. Need to go and stock up on me some more meth. I need just 2 more. That's it. 1 for the basement, maybe 3. 1 for the basement and 1 for my room and 1 for up here. Alright, peeps. Next time I see y'all, I'm gonna have to vacuum all this glitter up though. So yeah. Yeah.
And then for the rest of the week, I started school. And then starting the 13th, that's Saturday.
Uh-huh. Ooh. Soaking mine. Yeah. Ooh, peeps, I got an idea. Y'all see my black? I think I'm gonna paint, and that go good with this. I'm gonna put some right here. I'm gonna put some black. Should I do that? Put this black. Probably without the glitter, but just all black. Just right there. Huh. And then I think I got one to match that one. Sorta, kinda, that one. This one kinda match this one, and I could set it right there. Or I could just do that one. I'm thinking about it. Or just leave it plain. I think I'm gonna spray paint some more though. Cause I want to put some on my half face. I want to at least, I want to stick some like around here too. I want to have some somewhere, maybe in the middle or right here, right here. I'm gonna spray paint some more black ones. It's cold out there. Let's see what the weather is, peace, because it ain't right out there. Oh my goodness. Oh, my nose just been running. I need some Kleenex. Oh, goodness, what's the weather? Kind of cut the brightness up a little bit so we can see, get a good visual. Ooh. I'm gonna go downstairs and paint some more black ones and put them up probably tomorrow. Child number 9 and child number 2 supposed to come over tomorrow. That 33. That's a cold 33. What's the real feel? It's saying 31. Let me tap on to it. It's supposed to be 42 today. I don't know about that. Oh, y'all see my phone? Be these apps popping up. Okay, it said the real feel is 35. Now, what's... I don't know about that. Maybe it is 30. I guess. Max wind and gust 22 miles per hour. Yeah. And the temperature for to drop even more. Today 42. Oh, look at that next week. Oh Lord, all thirst. It's about that time. So yeah, I'll be back, y'all. I have very, very low energy. The washing, I had 4 loads yesterday. I end up washing my let me turn it like this. I end up washing my curtains on the porch. I had 3 in there. It did good. So yeah, it's pretty. Alright, peeps. I'll be back. Ooh, peeps. It's so cold out there. I forgot. I just finished putting the stuff on the other side. Now I locked up my door and everything. Trying to hurry up and get from out there. But let me show y'all. I think I'm about one of these, like a little sound like this. Say, hello winter. To go above. I'll show y'all. Trying to put my shoe on. Go back out here. It's cold, man. You gotta worry about my neighbor being on the porch. She might be in the window though. Okay, y'all. So this is. Hey, don't let me want to close. This is what we looking like. Look nice. With the snowflakes, the hurt shit in here. This leaves making all that noise. Yeah, black, silver, black. I spray painted some more though. Like, that look cute, and I stuck some right there. But I spray painted some more black ones because what I want to do, and I'm gonna keep them probably plain. I don't know. I might do the glitter, or maybe both. Some with glitter and plain black. And I spray painted some more white ones to probably put some more around here. But I'm gonna stick some on the front. I think I want to do that. So yeah, but this how this look. This look cute. I really like that. I love my home sweet home. But anyway, this it, peeps. This is what we looking like. Oh, I'm gonna get a sign to go up there. You put a hook up there, so. And that's it. That's all we could do in Chicago. In the hood of Chicago, yeah, can't do too much. And we ain't trying to attract all that attention. If I was in the suburbs, I could probably put the little lanterns out and everything, do a little more and stuff, but not here. Yeah. No. I'm gonna keep it real. I know what I'm dealing with over here. No, we're not gonna do that. But I like how it turned out. It looked nice, simple, like me. Made me a smoothie. But I spray paint some more, all black and all white, and they should be dry tomorrow. So I stick them on the front of the all white snowflakes. I'm gonna give them some color, color. Give them some melanin. What? But I'll show y'all how that look. I'm still soaking my bath mat because I've been having it in my basement hanging up. So I just put some baking soda and vinegar in there, and so I can start using it. And I'm here to go clean my stove. Yeah, I still got a little stuff to do though. I do. And I still ain't ate. Let me see what the hubby probably fixing some oatmeal. I don't know. But y'all already know. I see you when I see you. Peace. And I got to call child number 9 back. This is how hell looking up under here. Okay, peeps. Still the 30th. Sunday. Simple Saturday. Simple Saturday. Okay, so what we getting ready to do, I'm gonna leave my light boxes the same. I probably just started doing leaving them like that for a couple of months. You can't see God will judge us all on Judgment Day. That's cool. But what time is it? It's almost 4 o'clock, y'all. Let me change this one out to blue. You got this blue. This is a pretty blue, y'all. I really like this blue. 2024. What up? What up, dude? Okay. And then another one of these calendars going in my collection. I really like these calendars. I think this is my second one I done bought. Well, this third now, the third one, but I have 2. Is it 3? 2? Is this my third one I'm collecting? I don't know, I gotta check, but here we go. Come on. So let's do this one first. Ain't nothing happening in January, I don't think so. So got New Year's Day, and we wake up and see the first of the month, the first of the year. A New Year's blessing. Martin Luther King Jr. the 15th. Australia Day. So it's a bank holiday, the 2nd. Okay. Now let's take this teapot in. Y'all know my sun is about to set. That's cute. That is so pretty. I like the orange. That's a heart. Is that a little panda? What is that? I don't even know, y'all. But I know it's pretty. Let's look at the teacup. Oh, maybe it's them little people. Hey, is that an Asian person? I don't know. But it's pretty. What's that? Oh, what's that? It's pretty. Japan takes center stage. What's this about? Okay, we're gonna start here. Architecture is basically a container of something. I hope they will enjoy not so much the teacup, but the tea. Oh, I like the salsa. That's a pretty salsa. My battery hit a die again, y'all. Trying to see. Japanese tea culture is centuries old. In addition to the whisk, cups, and teapots that set the scene, special structures called tea houses are devoted to the ritual of making and serving tea. These are typically single-story, elegant, spare in their decoration, and lined with soft, tatami mats that are quite comfortable to kneel or sit on. It's not hard to see why the American architecture, Frank Lloyd Wright, was so captivated by the material culture and design of Japan. Look at a whole person. That's cool, y'all. I think that's all I'm gonna read. Okay, I'm air frying me some chicken and finna do the tater tots. Let me go and get her done and hang them up. 2024, here we come. Let me find me a pen. I brought my pens over here. That's the hubby he got there. He watching a show called what you watching, babe? Warrior. So ain't not happening. Just want I got to share the creativity of these teapots. I wonder what that is. Maybe if I keep reading, I'll find out, huh? Anyways, alright, peeps. Peace. See you when I see you. Hey, peeps. Let's see. Sunday. Did I say yesterday was Sunday? Well, I don't know. My days be running all together anyway. Ooh, it's the last of the month and year. How about that? How about that? Can we get a hallelujah and an amen? But anyways, it's now almost 9:30. Simple Sunday. And so this is what I've been up to. Yeah. Cleaning my refrigerator out. I gotta go to the grocery store tomorrow. So started about a little 8:25. So yeah, I got my chair showed. So I just cleaned the entire refrigerator.
Where you get the light from?
What light?
A fish tank.
I don't remember.
That just came off?
Maybe it was loose. It's on?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe it was loose, babe. Maybe something up in there loose. And I washed off all my bottles. Y'all know I love washing off my bottles. A little cheese, like that, butter. So just put all this stuff back up in here and clean it down. So yeah, y'all, my daughter's supposed to be here about 10, so that's why I was like, oh, let me get up and get her done. So the only thing I gotta do now, I use that. It worked pretty good. And so, and I use my vinegar, my Fabulous, so I gotta throw that away. I'm gonna wash out my egg container because it got like stuff up in there. So this is the last thing I gotta do. And then pour everything out, clean the floor up, and sink everything, y'all. I don't even cut my, y'all already know. It wouldn't be a sharing. Let me see. If I didn't, I whip myself. Yeah, y'all see that? There you go. Going back up in that refrigerator. And them little things sharp. So yeah, I didn't have to take the glass out because last time I cleaned it, I did a really deep clean, but I have to do my, this is not really bad, but I wanted to hit that, but I ain't gonna have time because my daughter be over here in a little while. I'll probably just set stuff up. But they go back like right there. Ain't that bad. Nope, it's not that bad. And ain't nobody gonna eat these. So we're gonna throw this away too. And it's clean though. It's clean. Okay. So while I'm talking to y'all, let me go ahead and do this and clean up. And then y'all already know. I'll see you when I see you. Peace. Oh, y'all, my daughter. 9:18. She said, I'm on my way. And y'all, it's now 40. I made good time though. I might put stuff up. I still got to vacuum. Put this stuff up. Put my eggs back up in there. Because I cleaned this. It's clean. Yep. Now, I ain't have too much left to do. So I made good timing. I really did. Oh, y'all, so I'm going to put these back. My floor wet right there in that region. But I know I'm going to get a chance to do my, but it really didn't need done, my refrigerator freezer, because don't nobody really be in there but me. For real. So, let me get ready for her. And child number 9 be here to put that up. So again, like I said, I just gotta put my eggs up. And I'm done. And throw my garbage away. So y'all already know. Oh, y'all was moving out though. I should have started at 8 when I first woke up. But I had to get myself together. Let me unlock the door. Yeah, it's snowing, y'all. Y'all see that? And I just put my snowflakes up. Y'all see the snow? It's snowing. Wow. I gotta go out here and do some more stuff. I was planning on doing that before she got here, but I just spray painted some black ones. I could do that tomorrow. Ain't no big deal. But y'all see it? Y'all see it? The snow is falling. Yep. It's steaming. Let me know her know the door is unlocked. Where my phone at? Alright, peeps. Peace. Let's look out back though. Ooh. Y'all see that? Wow, it's coming down. Wow. That's why she ain't made it here yet. Because I'm like, she would have been here. But God already knew. Give me time. Because I just sent that message. Alright, peeps. Y'all want to see me? You see all that snow out there? Say hey to people.
Hey, dude.
Alright, peeps. See you when I see you. Peace.